Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers cheap Rincon Valley local and long-distance movers near me. Do you want to move your business to a new location? Or are you packing your bags and ready to move or leave your current residence to a new one? Then relocating on your own may be a bad idea since it may be difficult and time-consuming. Instead, you need to hire a local or long-distance moving firm in Rincon Valley, AZ to help you out. Our moving company, 3Movers, steps up in this scenario. No matter how large or bulky your belongings are or how complex your relocation appears to be, we have a staff you can trust to successfully move you to your new destination. Your satisfaction is our top and only priority, and we'll do all we can to get you settled into your new office space or home in the fastest time possible. In addition, we provide Rincon Valley's cheapest and most reliable deals on moving services. Among other services, we also provide local moving services here at 3Movers. All these occur within a single state and do not exceed a 50-mile radius. We can safely state that our services are less costly than those supplied by many other Rincon Valley moving companies since you only have to spend $30 to $40 per hour. Additionally, we have a team of highly trained movers that can aid you in navigating the moving process and making wise judgments about your proposed relocation. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Rincon Valley moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.